Hey guys, we are
105 Degrees.
I'm Jonathan.
I'm Vicky.
I'm Jess.
I'm Jennifer, and today we're reacting to Block B Bastarz Figure 8.
We're in a rush here, so.
Figure eight? Figure eight?
Make it rain.
Make it rain.
Figure 8 what?
I think something else like that. Make it rain.
Ooh, what?
Dude, this is lit AF. Damn.
Squad goals.
Oh,
damn.
Is he wearing a fake mask?
Damn. That outfit, no.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What
Dude, he's laying on top of us.
Yeah.
Look, that can be because there's $100 there.
Oh, you're right. We ain't rich like that.
Oh my god. Was that a spinning brain?
What the hell?
And a gun. Okay.
Oh.
They're like robbing things.
Ooh. Dude, this is the song we need to blast, like.
We need to see this live, dude. Seriously.
Dude.
Oh my god. You got. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's a giant frog. Oh damn.
Your hair, why?
Dude, I bet you they're actually sleeping.
Same though.
Ooh.
You look so good.
Are you okay, Jennifer?
No.
He sounds really good too.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, dude.
I should have buy a skin. It's really good.
Ah. Oh.
Were they playing Mahjong?
Yeah. Is that a grave? I don't know what they were doing.
The thing was like a light bulb. What is this?
What even is going on? Is it like gambling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They got caught for cheating, so now they're done.
Oh, I see. The graphics are really cool. Oh. I fucking love this.
I love Theo's voice.
I know, it's so raspy.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
When will we ever be one just like?
Oh my god, somebody died.
Me.
Oh my
They are out to
No,
kill.
it's so good.
Oh my god.
Damn.
What? Wow. Dude, that was so good.
That was
so
really lit,
good.
dude. Oh my god. I'm just like,
Oh
yeah.
my god, they look so good.
I know.
Yukon will be the death of me.
He pulled off like the really like punk rock look really, really well.
Yeah.
Yeah. They all do really. But yeah.
This is so lit. I don't know if Blast is on the way to work.
Oh, we make it rain.
Play it in the store.
When I walk in, I'll be like, what's going on?
It's a rave in here.
This song is kind of weird for a candy store.
Do that.
Alright.
Anyways,
Okay.
bye guys.